Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Wing Young, and right now I'm a presenter of the SOLmate Solutions, which is aims to solve the problems in the business case number 9, AI-driven SME credit scoring with POS data, which is you can know that change the transaction data. Okay. First of all, let me introduce something about my name. My profile. My name is Wing Young, and my university is the University of Information Technology. I'm a senior student in information system. Okay, let's turn to the first part. Before we going to experience the our UI and before I want to demo, I want to talk something about the use case and the business problems. Also, let's talk about it. First of all, the real-life context problems, technical solution. The number 2 is corporate context. It's about many banking firms. What is the problems of many banking firms? And 3 is about our business solutions. And 4 is about technical solutions. However, because the limitation of the time, I will just discuss about the first 3 parts as mentioned in the slide. Okay, so let's talk about the small and medium enterprises financing gaps. So you can easily see it about the market size and opportunities. The SME financing gap represents a significant market opportunity with traditional banking models failing to reserve the needs for small and medium enterprises, especially. Okay, so our challenges is here about a limited asset to working capital constrained business growth. You can easily observe that many small and medium enterprises, they are struggle to approach and earn the experience and earn the credits amount, the credits limit. So what I want to talk about is that they don't have enough financial data and they enough assets to access to the financial support from the banks, from many banking firms, especially in emerging markets such as Vietnam. Okay, so this is our financial the data. We can show that about 64% of denied credit and 45% of working capital shortfalls, which is reported in the lower fintech reports in 2022. And about the traditional banking limitations, as we have some research, it's about of mainly 4 limitations. First, about historical data dependency. The second is the manual processing delays. You can easily see in many branches in Vietnam, they have to process a lot of profiles, data, and files. So they don't have enough time to process for SMEs. They have to prioritize the other bigger firms. So, and then we have the static risk assessment, which is built on the core machine learning models and many machine learning models without AI agents. And furthermore, it's about the documentation burden because they want to evaluate the whole financial status of a small firm. So they need a lot of documents in order to evaluate the two values of the cooperate. That's about our limitations. Okay, so let's turn to the static data problems. Many firms today, they don't have enough resources, especially human resources, to like accountant and many CFO, for example. So if you are just you sell as a street food stall, you don't need to hire an accountant. So this is our main problems. Okay, so they only implement and use the this kind of device to earn the revenues by transaction data, about the POS transaction data. So it is can easily real-time daily update and current performance metrics and in the immediate business momentum. and you can check about the actual transaction record. And if we look about a financial statement, we have to audit it. We have to audit it before we have a loan decision for the customer. Okay, so our solution architecture is about the POS integrations, and then you have integrating our AI engines, and we push it in the credit platform, which is we will present later in this section. Let's talk about we have three layers: the POS integration layer, the AI assessment engine, and the automatic credit platform. So about the POS integration layer, we suggest about API integration for many commercial banks. We have to connect with other commercial banks and take the transaction data, so we can capture the data like the volatility, many banking firms. So, and then we design AI system for two layers. The first layer is about the basic machine learning model and many statistics model to evaluate risk, credit risk score. We use the CIC proxy. We only call the CIC proxies to assess, to analyze the revenue and seasonality trends and the system output. And then we have to transfer to the AI agents, which is the automatic credit platforms, so we can pre-approve limits via mobile app, online banking, and we have repayment, and okay. So this is all. This is our expected solutions for the our expected solution. So we have to integrate it POS integration layer, and then we have two layer of ML about the statistics, because the transaction data is abundant and is very large. We have to transfer these to a specific bundle of metrics, which is easily to analyze and controlled and easily to analyze by the AI engine, like a Quant AI agent. Because if an agent is read to the transaction data, it can absorb a lot of tokens, which is raise an expensive cost to for production. Okay, so let's turn to our products. Okay, so let's turn to the second part about our presentation about the solution. So you can see it's the initial UI for a customer and the banker. So this is only the minimum viable product, so we don't have time to separate it into different sides. So we can easily see that another customer ID, ticket, and password. Okay, so this is the main interface, and then we have the interfaces. This is about the available loan request. So I will create a request. So we can choose a type like MCA or small SME loan. You can enter the money, like for example. Okay. So we push it into the server. Okay, so we have this, and we use AI agent to evaluate the metrics like this. To evaluate like this, okay? Okay, so this is the customer use case for our AI agent. Is about the evaluation of AI and the probability of default. And second is about the suggestion of monies that from the customer, and this is the suggestion from AI system. So we need to log out and just have a look about the banker UI. So we navigate back to the customer, log in to back to this, and you have here, these are the banker UIs. So we need to evaluate this. Okay, so this we have dashboard for credit risk, and you can see about this. But the dashboard, the business performance of each individuals. So you see everything is about this customer. And this is the bank view and user view. This is the dashboard for evaluation. So for the SOXO department, so we provide a customer analysis from transaction data. So about the A distributions, the revenues by A groups, the frequencies by A, the customer distributions by locations. You can see the analysis dashboard for building the whole system for like this. And we have the portfolio loan type like this, and we could see many evaluation here like this. And this is the evaluation of AI. So it will analyze and recheck about the ML layer, which is can be some metrics here. Okay, and what the exit status of the firms. Okay, so this is the purpose and request amount and the PD values. It's just a bulk data, so sometimes I think that cannot be the strong baseline for evaluation, because this is we only train on the mock data and the fact data. So sometimes I think that this is not true in the real life. So we need some data to evaluate the whole model and run the models. So this is gonna be better in decisions. So you can see about customer segmentations here. Yeah, and the credit dashboards for maintains and monitor dashboard initially. So this is all of our presentation about the product today. Thank you for listening.